according to Sharon Gilmartin from A New Therapy in Drogheda. Sharon, this is very exciting. You have tried this yourself and you were just showing me the before and after pictures. You're raving about it.
Right.
It's acoustic wave therapy, okay, which is what they use to get rid of kidney stones.
That's right. Acoustic wave therapy is used medically to disintegrate kidney stones, and now it's used cosmetically to break up fat and to disintegrate fat.
And you really think this is a revolution in treating cellulite?
That's right. We're the very first clinic in Ireland and the UK to offer this, and we have trialled this for the last 4.5 months in our clinic. We've carried out clinical trials to determine its effectiveness, and now, due to its enormous success, we're now offering it in our salon.
Okay, well let's let people at home see a difference between the before and after. We've got, oh, look at that, it's dramatic. That's after 10 weeks now.
Usually clients will need 8 to 10 sessions, ideally.
And that's at the back.
Yeah. Yes.
And guys, people at home watching this go, no way. These are real pictures, because I've just been looking at the before and after pictures in the book, and they're real women, local women, your clients.
Yes.
They're incredible pictures. Okay, so
all the clients that we took on in our clinic to participate in the clinical trials, they all had endomology in the past. All of them said they needed half as many sessions than endomology, and they had way better results without any discomfort at all.
And I must say, those pictures as before and afters, no diet, no exercise, that was just this therapy.
They just had to drink 2 litres of water.
So explain to us now how it works and what it's doing, Sharon.
Now this is pummeling the body and emitting pressure waves.
Excuse me.
Now the pressure waves both break down the fat, and also it creates a vibration which helps to tone up the muscle, similar to the power plate, whereby there's resistance, and that tones up the muscle, which is actually fantastic for the inner thigh, because inner thighs are so hard to tone up.
Difficult to tone up, yeah.
Clients have genuine inch loss as well as cellulite reduction.
See, that's what I was interested in as well when you were showing me the pictures, that if this isn't just skin tone quality that's changing, there's dramatic inch loss.
And it's actually proven to work, because ultrasound pictures taken immediately after one single session determine that the dermis does in fact thicken. So you're increasing the quality of the skin, because what it actually does is it softens and strengthens the connective tissue, as well as breaking down the fat. So therefore the skin quality is going to be much better, and it also means that the results are much more long lasting. Results can last.
So is this like the equivalent of doing 100 lunges? You know, is it
no, exercise cannot get rid of cellulite. Exercise and diet usually will not get rid of cellulite. Whereas this will.
Okay.
And it has been proven to actually work. And we have found that clients will only need about 10 sessions, ideally twice a week. You know,
10 sessions twice a week, and money-wise, we're talking 90 euro
for a typical half-an-hour session, which would be the backs of the thighs and the buttocks. Extra areas such as arms would be an extra €15 per area.
Okay. You know. And you actually did it on my arm just beforehand, so I could feel it.
It's
fine. It's not
like a deep massage.
It's a weird noise. That's the only thing that's kind of, but it's grand.
It's just
as simple as that.
Yeah.
I can't believe this gets rid of cellulite. But if those pictures are true and they seem to be the real deal, then it really does get rid of it.
It does. Like I said, we carried out clinical trials for 4.5 months since last March in our clinic with this system, just to determine whether we take it on board in our salon.
And Sharon, you were the first person to have this in the country, and the only person in the country.
And also there's nobody in the UK either that have it, so it's fantastic.
Look at you leading the way.
Yeah, well, it's taken the USA by storm. It's huge in the USA, and it's actually a Swiss medical company that actually make it, and we took it on board just to trial it initially, and due to its enormous success, we've decided to take it on and offer it to our customers.
And very bravely, Sharon even used it on herself and showed me her own before and after pictures this morning, and it really does seem to do the business.
Yeah, well, fantastic for inner thighs and toning them up, and for inch loss as well, but it's primarily for cellulite, really. You know?
Primarily for cellulite, but the bonuses are inch loss.
Yeah, exactly.
And everyone can use it, no exclusions?
Well, we go through a consultation card and make sure that there's nobody on, let's say, warfarin. Warfarin might be a contraindication, or somebody that's pregnant who wouldn't do the tummy area. In fact, the tummy area is something that we're very cautious about taking on. There has to be definitely cellulite present before we would do the tummy area.
Okay.
So the typical areas that are ideally suitable is backs of the thighs, the buttocks, inner thighs and the arms, or any other areas where there is cellulite. Okay, Sharon, you've given hope to thousands of women watching this morning who haven't been able to get rid of that cellulite. Absolutely. Thank you very much for coming in. A new therapy. 2 Fair Street in Drogheda. 2 Fair Street in Drogheda. We have the details up, Sharon. I'm sure you'll be inundated with calls. And Brenda, our model, thank you very much. No cellulite on her at all. All right, guys, we're going to take a quick break. We'll be back with some Harry Potter fans who'll be revealing what happens at the end of the tale. Don't go away.